Hi everybody, I'm Stefan. Welcome back to lesson 3 in my Czerny Opus 599 Practical Method for Beginners tutorial course. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already done so, and if you like what you see, give this video a thumbs up. Also, I offer online piano lessons. If you're looking for one, there's going to be information below. Just a couple of words about the book. Czerny 599 is one of the most popular technique books for beginners to intermediate students. The first piece is the easiest and number 100 is the hardest, so it's progressive and it goes from very early elementary to a good intermediate level. In this video we're going to learn piece number 3, which is again in the same concept as 1 and 2, so using just half and whole notes, minims and semi-breves, but now we're expanding the notes. We're going lower down, closer to middle C. Exercise 1 and 2 was up here, and exercise 3 is going to be down here, so we're going to read more ledger lines in the bottom. Both hands are written in the treble clef, so no bass clef, and it's in 4/4, so common time C. Now, because we don't have any quarter notes or crotchets, we don't need to count 1, 2, 3, 4, as it would slow down the music too much. We can count 1, 2, 1, 2, where 1 beat is a half note and 2 beats is a whole note, and that makes the counting much easier. So let me start with the right hand, and I'm going to play the first section, which is the first line until the repeat sign. Then that has to be repeated. Then we play the second line, and that has to be repeated as well. We start 1 on the G, and the right hand is moving in skips and steps. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. So once again, the 3 important things are: number 1, have good rhythm. Make sure the whole notes are twice as long as the half notes, so a very steady pulse all the way through. Number 2, although the book doesn't say play legato or detached, if you play it legato, it's better for your technique because it sounds nicer, it's more musical, and you already learn a very valuable skill for the pianist, which is legato playing. So what that means is connecting the notes to each other without having any gaps between them. So when you press down a note, the next one, you hold down the first note until the second one goes down and then instantly release. And this way there is no gap between the notes. For a correct hand shape, you want to keep your fingers curved, hand above the keys, a flat, soft wrist, and keeping a fairly close shape because we're staying in a 5-finger position, and moving between the notes. Playing the notes with the fingertips is really important to get clean articulation and very good control of the sound. Don't play with spread out fingers or flat fingers. Keep your fingers in a cup shape, so nicely close together, almost like embracing an apple or a small ball. Now, the left hand is going to start under the middle C, so middle C, and under the second ledger line we've got G, so 5 on the G. Let's go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Now you'll see some frequent finger changes here on the same notes, and in exercise 2 we discussed note repetition. So when we repeat notes in piano playing, especially 3 or 4 times, we have to alternate the fingers on repeated notes to make them sound more musical and also to make it easier for the hand to play evenly. In this piece, although the book suggests a finger change on each double note, it's not always necessary. You can follow the finger numbers if you want to, but the left hand can easily stay in the 5-finger position without any finger changes unless you want to do the D 1 2 1. In the right hand, again, you can stay in the 5-finger position. We don't have so many repeated notes, but if you want to give yourself a challenge, follow the fingerings in the book and be very careful when you see different finger numbers but the same note. It doesn't mean that you're moving, it just means you're changing your finger on the same note. And again, this is an important concept to learn early on, that repeated notes should be played with alternate finger numbers. Putting his hands together is, again, a challenge because we have to coordinate the rhythm. When one hand is holding a whole note, the other hand is moving in half notes, so make sure you sustain the longer notes. And most importantly, both hands should strike the notes at the same time. So instead of where there's a little delay or gap between the two hands, make sure that you really concentrate that the two notes go down perfectly together. So hands together, first line. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Then we repeat and go on to the second line. So let's start number 2 on the A and number 1 on the D. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. If you have any more questions about exercise 3, leave them in the comments. Thank you very much for watching. See you soon.